Here we go, guys.
The following is scheduled for one fall, making his way to the ring from Scotland, weighing in at 243 pounds, Aryn, Kirk.
Gentlemen, this has all the makings of an all-time classic match, and I fully expect it to deliver on that promise.
That's right.
Look at the focus and drive in his eyes, ready to prove he's the best this division has to offer.
And an inverted atomic drop. Here's the wind-up. And fastball punch.
Big opportunity for him now.
Cover. An emphatic victory. We got our money's worth for that one. Take a look.
Here is your winner, Aryn, Kirk.
Impressive win for him here. With a win like that, he just stood up and commanded the attention of everyone in the WWE Universe.
I think they've noticed, Byron.